Shockbyte is a popular and well-established Minecraft server hosting provider. Let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Pros: ease of use. Shockbyte's control panel is user-friendly and straightforward. You can manage your server, install mods and plugins, and customize settings with minimal technical knowledge. Value for money. They offer affordable packages with generous resource allocations. This is great for budget-conscious server owners. Performance. Shockbyte boasts reliable servers with excellent uptime records, ensuring a smooth gameplay experience for your players. Customer support. Their support team is known to be responsive and helpful, offering assistance when needed through tickets and live chat. Unlimited storage and bandwidth. You won't have to worry about running out of disk space or bandwidth limitations with most of their plans. Cons: limited locations. Server locations can be restricted compared to some competitors, potentially leading to higher latency for players in certain regions. Occasional performance issues. While generally reliable, some users have reported occasional lag or downtime. Premium add-ons. Some advanced features or customizations may require additional purchases. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.